Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support. Today we will cook something which is what I have: sweet potato and omelette. When you eat a lot, also you're not scared of gain weight with sweet potato. And just 5 minutes, I can finish my dinner prepared for my husband. Like I chop up the sweet potato and then I put into microwave 4 minutes, add some water, let it steam, and then I mix some cinnamon, garlic, salt, and some paprika. After 4 minutes, the sweet potato already cooked, so saute with some oil on the skillet. It's done, and your dinner is ready. For my husband, he loves the food and enjoys so much. I hope you guys also can do like me, make it fast and easy. Besides sweet potato, I still have some omelette, which is have sweet pepper and some onion. So I just do the omelette. Enjoy!